Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. No, I'm not cooking. But we're going to show you how to grout glass mosaic tile backsplash. Alright, here you can see the tile. There's no grout. It's just stuck up there. So we are going to show you how to grout. So first off, we use grout, which is granules, and we use this stuff right here. That's right, grout maximizer. You use this in place of water. That way you don't have to worry about sealing it. It seals itself. This is your sealant. This acts as your water. And it's a 1-to-1 solution. So you lay your grout on with the float. That's a rubber floater. It's red and it says floater on it. You rub it over the top until you get it nice and smushed into the cracks like this. You want to make sure you start off at an angle, that way you don't catch any edges and pull any of your mosaic tiles up. See that there? Just squeeze it into the cracks. Get it nice and smeared in there. Alright, so after you put the grout on, what's next, dear?
You let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes until it just starts to dry, and then you wipe it off. And you rinse your sponge out and wipe some more, and rinse your sponge and wipe some more. And you keep doing it until your tile is clean.
So after continuous wiping with the wet cloth and then with the dry cloth, just continue to buff it out with that dry cloth, and this is what your end result will look like. You'll notice that we use white grout, but you obviously can use whatever color grout that complements your tile.